Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics of Standard 8th, chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root. In last video, we learned about the indices, the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n, and we solved practice set 3.1 and 3.2. Today we are going to study about cube and cube root. First we will see the definition of cube. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then product is called the cube of the number. For example, we can write the cube of 1 as 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1, or cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Similarly, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and so on. Now we will understand the term cube root. For example, 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 6 cube equal to 216. Hence, 216 is the cube of 6 and cube root of 216 is 6. In the form of the formula, we can write, as you can see on the screen, cube root of 216 equal to 6, that is 206 raised to 1 upon 3 equal to 6. Now we will move on to practice set 3.3. Question number 1. Find the cube roots of the following numbers. First, 8,000. First, we will put factors of 8,000 that you can see on the screen. After putting factors, we will get factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. Now, we will make group of 2, that is 2 into 10 in one bracket, again 2 into 10 in second bracket, and 2 into 10 in third bracket. That is 2 into 10 raised to cube. 2 into 10 equal to 20 cube. So, cube root of 8,000 is 20. Question number 2. 729. Now, if we'll put factors of 729 as you can see on the screen. So, factors will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, that is 3 into 3 raised to 3. 3 into 3 will be 9. So, 9 cube. So, cube root of 729 will be 9. Question number 4. Minus 512. If we will put factors of 512 as you can see on the screen. So, factors will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now, we will make 3 groups. 2 into 4 in one bracket, again 2 into 4 in second bracket, again 2 into 4 in third bracket, that is 2 into 4 raised to 3, 4 to the 8 raised to 3. So, cube root of minus 512 will be minus 8. Question number 6. 32,768. If we will put the factors of 32,768 as you can see on the screen. So, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. We will make group of 3, that is 2 into 4 into 4 in one bracket, same 2 into 4 into 4 in another bracket, and 2 into 4 into 4 in another bracket. Now 2 4s are 8 and 8 4s are 32. So we will get 32 raised to 3. So cube root of 32,768 will be 32. Now we will move on to question number 2. Simplify. First example, cube root of 27 upon 125. If we will observe, 27 is cube of 3 and 125 is cube of 5. So we will get in cube root 3 into 3 into 3 upon cube root 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore, cube root of 3 cube upon cube root of 5 cube. As we know the definition of the meaning of the cube root sign, so we will write cube root of 3 cube upon cube root of 5 cube. So we will arrange 3 cube raised to 1 upon 3 upon 5 cube raised to 1 upon 3. As we know the law of indices, a raised to m raised to 1 upon m will be a raised to m into 1 upon m. So m will get cancelled and it will remain a. So from that formula we will write cube root of 27 upon 125 equal to 3 upon 5. Question number 2. Cube root of 16 upon 54. Now first we will put factors of 16 and 54. So we will get cube root of 8 into 2 upon 27 into 2. 2 will get cancelled. So we will get cube root of 8 upon 27. As we know 8 is cube of 2 and 27 is cube of 3. So we will arrange the equation. We will get cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 upon cube root of 3 into 3 into 3. So it will be cube root of 2 cube upon cube root of 3 cube. Now we will rearrange the equation by law of indices, which you can see on the screen. So we will get 2 cube raised to 1 upon 3 upon 3 cube raised to 1 upon 3. So 3 will get cancelled and we will get 2 upon 3. Question number 3. If cube root of 729 equal to 9, then find cube root of 0.000729. Now, first we will simplify the equation. If we will observe, after point there are 6 digits. So we will simplify 729 upon, on 1 we will take 6 0. So that will be 10 lakhs. So we will get cube root of 729 upon 10 lakh. As we know, 729 is cube root of 9 and 10 lakh is cube root of 100. Therefore, we will get cube root of 0.000729 equal to 9 upon 100. After simplification, we will get equal to 0.09.